Good morning, class. I hope you all are safe and robust at your homes. So, before starting our today's class, tell me one thing. Have you ever gone to market with your parents? Obviously, yes. आप बहुत बार अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ मार्केट गए होंगे. बट आपने क्या एक चीज़ कभी ऑब्जर्व की? जब भी आप किसी वेजिटेबल वेंडर से या फिर शॉपकीपर से कोई भी सामान खरीदते हैं एंड यू आस्क फॉर योर बिल, he just do calculation very fast without using his pen or pencil. आपको कोई ऐड करने के लिए बोले कोई चीज़ तो आपको पेन एंड पेंसिल की ज़रूरत पड़ती है ना. बट he never use his pen and pencil and just tell you what is your bill. So क्या उसे कोई मैजिक आता है? अगर उसे मैजिक नहीं आता तो वो इतनी फास्ट कैलकुलेशन कैसे कर लेता है? ओके, सो आज के क्लास में हम यही सीखेंगे. So let's move forward. Let's learn the trick of vegetable seller. So let's look at the story. One day, Anisha and Raza both went to a vegetable shop, and there Anisha bought apples for 37 rupees and Raja bought bananas for 21 rupees. And you know what happened? The women selling fruits said 37 is 30 and 7 and 21 is 20 and 1. So 37 and 20 make 58. What was that? Both got very surprised. Anisha said, "Look here, I'll tell you what she has done." So, students, as you have studied in your last classes, the expanded form, do you remember? Yes, so we can write 26 as 20 plus 6, right? And we can write this 43 as 40 plus 3. Now, as you know, it's very easy to add 20 and 40. So, we have collected the two digit number together and one digit number together. Here, now you can easily add 40 plus 20, that is 60, and what is 6 plus 3? 9. So, here we get the answer 69 without using our pen and pencil, right? Now Raja became very happy. Now he knows the secret of vegetable seller, and now he can also easily add two numbers quickly without using his pencil and notebook. So I hope now you can also easily add the given numbers without using your pencil, right? So let's check for another numbers. Now let us check for another two number that are 56 and 21. We can write 56 as 50 plus 6 and we can write 21 as 20 plus 1. यहाँ तक सभी को क्लियर है? You can easily write 56 as 50 plus 6 and 21 as 20 plus 1. Now what will be the next step? Yes, now you will combine two digit number together and one digit number together. So here 50 plus 20 we can write it as together and 6 and 1 is 7. So now 50 plus 20 is equal to what? Right, 70. And 70 plus 7 and the final answer will be 77. Wait, then Raja said we can do it in one more way. So let's check what's idea came in Raja's mind. So what did he did? He just break 21 as 20 plus 1 and then added 56 to one digit number, that is 57, and then he added 20 to it. So 50 plus 20 is 70 and 7 more, that is 77. So without using pencil and paper, he has done calculation so fast. So I think you can also add numbers like this without using your pen and pencil. Got it, everyone? Now let us try this problem. Here you have to add 33 to 56. So what is the first step? Right. Firstly, you will break the numbers into two parts. So you can write 33 as 30 plus 3 and 56 as 50 plus 6. Now club the two digits number together. Here 50 plus 30 will be 80 and we will be left with two one digits number that are 3 and 6. Now what is 3 plus 6? Right, 3 plus 6 is 9. So now 80 plus 9 is equal to 89 will be our answer. So देखा आपने बच्चों, without using your pen and pencil you can easily add the number by breaking them into two parts, or we can say by representing it in expanded form. Expanded form सबने पढ़ा था ना? So here what are we doing? We are adding numbers by breaking it into two parts. Okay. Now let us see if we can do the same with these sums. So here you have to do 37 plus 22. So again the same process, 30 plus 7 and 20 plus 2. So 30 and 20 together and one digit number 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. Good. So 30 plus 20 will be 50 plus 9 and the answer will be 59. Got it, everyone? So what we had done in this sum? Firstly, we have break 37 into two part, that are 30 and 7, and also 22 into two parts, that are 20 and 2. Now adding two digits number together, that are 30 and 20, and adding one digits number together, that are 7 and 2. What is 7 plus 2? 9. And 30 plus 20, 50. So here the answer will be 50 plus 9, that is 59. Got it? Now let's check the another sum, that is 73 plus 24. So again the same process. 73 will be written as 70 plus 3 and 24 will be written as 20 plus 4. Now again what we have to do? Right? Again we will write the two digits number together, that are 70 and 20, and here we will add one digit numbers, that are 3 and 4. And what is 3 plus 4? Right, 7. So 70 plus 20 is equal to 90, and 90 plus 7, here we get our answer, that is 97. So students, now I hope you can easily solve these questions using the same trick, right? Yes, so now I will share these questions in your assignment and you will solve them using expanded notation. So you have to add these numbers by breaking them, that means by using expanded notation. नाउ आई थिंक बहुत पढ़ाई हो गई. सो आज के लिए गेम भी. आज आप सभी को मैं गेम सिखाऊंगी एंड यू ऑल विल प्ले दिस गेम विद योर पेरेंट्स. ओके, सो यू कैन check this game in your maths textbook. The name of the game is Mango Chili Game. And what you have to do in this game? Here you will need a pair of dice. So and few colored button which will be equal to the number of players playing game. For example, if you are playing with your mother and father, so you will be needing 3 buttons. Got it? So now what you have to do in this game? You will roll the dice and you have to add the numbers at the top of the both dices. For example, here what we can see? Here we can see in one dice we can see 6 and in another 1. So 6 plus 1 is equal to 7, right? So the first player will move the dice to the number 7. Now there is one interesting rule in this game. And what is that rule? According to that rule, if you reach the place where you can see the mango, if you will land at mango, you will have to move the number of steps forward. But if a players land at chili, so he have to move the number of steps backward. Whosoever reach the number 81st, he or she will win the game. So students, this game will teach you how to add in a very interesting manner. So it's your today's task. Play this game with your sibling or your parents and enjoy adding. So that's all for today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.